Hey everybody, it's Alham here from West Coast Ford Lincoln, and I'm excited to share with you this fresh arrival 2023 Bronco Sport Big Ben. It has low kilometers of 8,000 kilometers, one owner, and no reported accidents. What can I say about the Bronco Sport other than the fact that it's just a great vehicle? You got great styling cues, including signature LED lights in the front. You got this beautiful anti-matter blue exterior color, and you also have this great painted 17-inch aluminum wheels. Plenty amount of safety features in the vehicle for you and your family, which includes pre-collision with emergency braking, lane keeping system, and blind spot monitoring system. There's also 5 selectable drive modes, which includes slippery, wet sand mode, and even eco for extra fuel economy. Coming to the interior, the vehicle is equipped with push button start with easy entry access. So as long as your key's in the pocket, you can go ahead and open up the door and unlock right away for you. And part of the Big Ben trim, you have a lot of standard equipment, including power adjustable front seat, 8-inch display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you even have heated seats for those cold winter nights. On the back row, plenty amount of space. You got all-weather floor mats. You even have the USB and the USB-C charging ports. If you want extra cargo space, you can actually fold the seats flat as well. Coming onto the back, there's actually 2 ways you can open up the tailgate. You can open up the tailgate with just the glass, make it easy to grab some stuff, or you can of course open up the whole tailgate using the right button. As you can see with the Bronco Sport, plenty amount of space. You got the marine grade vinyl flooring, you got a full spare tire, and again, you can fold down those seats for extra storage as well. If you have any more questions, feel free to call me at 778-385-0419. Again, it's Alham for West Coast Ford Lincoln, and I look forward to meeting you.